Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special. You are looking at the Perth Mint 10 gram minted gold bar on special for the next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time. Of course, available at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores and online. I'll put a link below to the specific product page. The Perth Mint 10 gram minted gold bar, a fan favourite. We love Perth Mint here at Ainslie. Of course, we're an authorised Perth Mint distributor. And gold, of course, you want some gold in your stack a little bit, unless you're an all silver person. Are you all silver? Post a comment below. But most people do skirt both metals. And of course, let's take a quick little look here. We've got the Perth Mint font up the top here with the Perth Mint logo, but on the bar specifically, you have the Perth Mint logo on the top there with the right facing swan, of course 99.99% pure gold and 10 grams, and it's in a Perth Mint tamper evident case. We also commonly refer to them as CertiCards as well, because that's actually the name of the manufacturer, CertiCard, TM trademarked, I believe it is, who make these security style packaging. And we mean tamper evident. It's not tamper proof, of course. You could get a really good pair of scissors and cut through the very thick plastic, but it's tamper evident, meaning, of course, that if someone was to try and maybe get a razor blade or something like that to try and replace the bar with a fake one, you're easily going to tell that it's been tampered with. So tamper evident case, and it's CertiCard, meaning it acts as its own certificate as well. So of course you have the technical specifications at the top, the gold content, the fineness, the minimum gross weight, and each card is individually serialized as well. So it is assayed and certified by the Perth Mint. And of course on the back here, they've done this for a long time now. They used to be a blank design, but it's actually little kangaroos there in a sort of a diagonal pattern right there. So it's actually an extra security feature as well. So here's the deal. We are knocking $15 off per bar, regardless of how many you buy. You don't have to buy 25 or 50 or 100. You can just buy one, and $15 off per bar for the next 24 hours again till Thursday, 4 p.m. Queensland time for the Perth Mint 10 gram minted gold bar. You know them, you love them, and you would like to share this with anyone who you think might want to get some Perth Mint 10 gram gold at a decent discount. Of course, you want to subscribe to the channel, youtube.com/Ainslie Bullion, for our weekly Wednesday specials and much, much more. Lots of informative content. And at the end, of course, we say here, thanks for choosing Ainslie.